Welcome back to Nirvana Hub, where we explore ways to improve our well-being and lead healthier lives. In this video today, we will talking about a vitamin that affects our body functions, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays several key roles. One of its primary functions is the formation of red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Without adequate levels of vitamin B12, red blood cell production can be impaired, leading to a condition known as megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin B12 is crucial for the proper functioning of the nervous system. It is involved in the synthesis of myelin, a protective coating that surrounds nerve fibers and facilitates the transmission of nerve impulses. Sufficient vitamin B12 levels help maintain healthy nerve cells and support optimal neurological function. Vitamin B12 also plays a significant part in energy metabolism. It aids in the conversion of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins from our diet into usable energy. By supporting the metabolism of macronutrients, vitamin B12 helps ensure our bodies have the energy required for daily activities. Although most people consume adequate amount of vitamin B12, approximately 6% of adults younger than 60 years old are deficient, and that number increases to 20% after the age of 60. As vitamin B12 cannot be made by the body, approximately 1 out of every 4 adults of the United States population reported using a dietary supplement containing B12. There are several factors that can cause a deficiency in B12. 1. Conditions such as celiac or Crohn's disease can lead to deficiency due to inefficiencies in nutrient absorption. 2. As B12 is found in meat and poultry, vegetarians and vegans are at high risk of developing a B12 deficiency. 3. People who had just undergone a weight loss surgery can also lead to vitamin B12 deficiency. Before we go further, we would like to remind you that we are not doctors and that the information in this video is obtained from research. This video is for information purposes only. Symptom number 1. Strange sensations or tingling in the limbs such as hands, legs, or feet. As B12 is crucial for maintaining a healthy nervous system, vitamin B12 deficiency can result in various neurological symptoms. Severe deficiencies can damage nerve cells, which lead to sense loss. Symptom number 2. Balance problems. As B12 is known to have an impact on the central and peripheral nervous system, researchers conducted a 2-year study and found a link between low B12 levels and balance problems. Symptom number 3. Anemia. Anemia is a condition in which the body does not enough red blood cells. As red blood cells provide oxygen to body tissues, people with anemia may experience irritability, numbness of hands and feet, mouth ulcers, and lightheadedness when they stand up. Symptom number 4. Swollen tongue. People who are deficient in vitamin B12 may suffer from glossitis. Glossitis is a condition where the tongue changes in color and shape, causing it to appear red and swollen. It can also cause the tongue to appear smooth due to the taste buds disappearing. Symptom number 5. Cognitive difficulties or memory loss. As previously mentioned, B12 deficiency has a negative impact on the central nervous system. People with low or deficient B12 levels experience difficulties with concentrating and completing tasks. In a 2020 study, researchers found a clear association between low B12 levels and progressive cognitive impairment, leading them to conclude that future studies examining vitamin B12 therapy as an option to improve cognitive outcomes should be explored. Symptom number 6. Weakness. Low B12 levels negatively impacts motor and sensory nerve function, which can cause muscle cramps and weakness. Symptom number 7. Fatigue. Inadequate B12 levels can decrease red blood cell production, impacting oxygen delivery. As a result, you may feel fatigue due to the body not receiving enough energy to function properly. Symptom number 8. Insomnia. Although the link between B12 and sleep disturbances are not yet concrete, B12 plays a role in the production of melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that helps regulate our circadian rhythms, leading some to theorize that there is a link between deficient B12 levels and disrupted sleep patterns. Symptom number 9. Pale skin. Skin hyperpigmentation or discoloration of the skin is one of the symptoms of deficient B12 levels. Discoloration will gradually get worse over time if B12 levels remain low. Now that we have covered common symptoms of B12 deficiency, let's discuss the foods that help with increasing your B12 levels. If you are vegetarian or a vegan, look for foods that are fortified with B12. We have included information from the National Institute of Health outlining the recommended dietary allowance for B12 in the video description. Here are some of the foods that are rich in B12. Clams, a good source for antioxidants and rich in B12. Other seafoods such as salmon and tuna are also great sources for B12. Beef, an excellent source of protein that is packed with B12. Milk and dairy products, yogurt, egg, and cheese are rich sources of B12. You can also use a B12 supplement that you can purchase online or in-store to help you meet your daily needs. In the description box, we have included an Amazon link to a product for a B12 supplement. We hope that you found this video helpful. Share it with someone who can benefit from the information and subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.